Hi, I'm Lori McDonald. I am an Optimizely MVP. I'm also the founder and CEO of Brilliance Business Solutions. Optimizely recently announced new names for their commerce products, and I wanted to explain those names to you and also give you a bit of background on Optimizely's commerce offerings in this quick video. The first we will discuss is named Optimizely Configured Commerce. Optimizely Configured Commerce is a managed and cloud-hosted product that provides extensive features and functionality that are pre-built and can be enabled and set up for your needs using admin controls with the backend. It also has an integration architecture that has pre-built integrations for several ERPs. Optimizely Configured Commerce has rich B2B capabilities, including user management, order approvals, budget approvals, a mobile app, and more. The other Optimizely Commerce offering is named Optimizely Customized Commerce. Optimizely Customized Commerce is a managed and cloud-hosted framework that enables you to build a digital experience that is specific to your business's needs. Here, we are looking at one of our customers, Neogen, on Optimizely Customized Commerce. Optimizely Customized Commerce is architected and sold as a part of Optimizely Content Cloud, which enables enhanced content creation and personalization capabilities integrated with commerce. Here's an example on our demo site of how you can use visitor groups in Optimizely Content Cloud to show some visitors to the homepage one image, while other visitors see something different. Because Optimizely Customized Commerce is architected and sold as a part of Optimizely Content Cloud, these types of rich content management capabilities are a part of the product. To understand these products, it can be helpful to understand a bit about Optimizely's history. As many of you know, Optimizely was previously named Episerver. Founded in Sweden in 1994, Episerver made a name for themselves in the content management software space. In 2012, Episerver acquired the MediaChase Commerce Framework and integrated this with their CMS, offering a power of content and commerce solution that also provided personalization capabilities. In December 2019, Episerver acquired Insite Software, which focused on serving mid-market manufacturers and distributors. In October 2020, Episerver acquired Optimizely to add Optimizely's experimentation and personalization offerings to Episerver's growing suite of offerings and make it easier for marketers to create customer-centered digital experiences. In January 2021, Episerver reintroduced themselves to the world with the name Optimizely, recognizing that all of their products help customers to optimize their digital experience. Insite Software became Optimizely B2B Commerce, and Episerver's commerce offering became referred to as Optimizely B2C Commerce. Both names, Optimizely B2B Commerce and Optimizely B2C Commerce, were somewhat problematic, as there were many B2B customers on Episerver Commerce, and increasingly Insite Software was being used for both B2B and B2C use cases. In addition, the names didn't help the market, prospects, and customers to understand the difference between the products. What was Insite Software, and then named Optimizely B2B Commerce, is now known as Optimizely Configured Commerce. What was Episerver Commerce, and then named Optimizely B2C Commerce, is now known as Optimizely Customized Commerce. Here are the main differences between these two platforms. Optimizely Configured Commerce provides pre-built features available through configuration. Optimizely Configured Commerce has pre-built ERP integrations. The built-in content management in Optimizely Configured Commerce is more limited than Optimizely Customized Commerce, but can be enhanced with an integration to Optimizely Content Cloud. In comparison, Optimizely Customized Commerce provides more flexibility for the customer experience because the commerce framework is built into Optimizely Content Cloud. Optimizely Customized Commerce doesn't have features pre-built in a front end, but Brilliance offers an accelerator called Catalyst, which provides core B2B capabilities that can be further extended. In both instances, you benefit from platforms that have been designed with a focus on low total cost of ownership and enabling access to a suite of integrated products that empower marketers and companies to innovate and grow with experiences that delight their customers. Understanding which product is the right fit for you will depend on your business and your goals. At Brilliance, we're happy to partner with Optimizely and implement both of these products. If you're interested in better understanding which product is the right fit for your needs, feel free to reach out. We'd love to help.